first graders, it's Tangy Tuesday time. I got another fun puzzle for you. This one's super kind of tricky. It may puzzle you a little bit, but that's good. It's fun when it's hard. Then we feel like we really did a great job when we figure it out. So this one you're going to turn to the very last one before you hit the new pack. And this one's called EQUATO. EQUATO. I need to call it EQUATO because there's a lot of equal signs in here. And you're looking for different things that are equal within this puzzle. Now, the cool part about this puzzle is they give you the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're only going to use these numbers one time in the puzzle. So after you use it, you can cross it off. These are the only numbers you're going to be writing in this puzzle as well. So you're not going to write a 9, you're not going to write a 10, you're definitely not going to write a 100. That's not going to make sense in the puzzle. Just 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So there's a couple tricks to this one. I like to look at where I can find my first answer where there are two numbers so I can get my for sure answer. So I'm looking around here and I only see one number going this way. Oh man, I only see one number here. I see two numbers here and I see two numbers here. I think I'm going to start on this side over here to get my answer. So if I'm looking at it, again, you might need a little piece of paper so you can focus for a minute here. But I'm looking at it this way, and you have to be able to be flexible with your numbers and say, okay, I can see here's 7 minus 6, and here's my equal sign, and what is the same as or equal to 7 minus 6? If I have 7 and I take away 6, if you need your cubes, you can use them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 and I take away 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm left with 1 cube. So this answer is definitely a 1. So a 1 goes here because I know 7 minus 6 is 1. And I'm going to go up to my 1 up here and cross it off. I've used 1 and I cannot use 1 again. So 1 is done. All right, let's look. All right. Oh, now I have two numbers here and I can work this way. Now I can say 6 minus 1. Okay, if I have 6, what's 6 minus 1? Well, I had 6. I use my fingers too, right? If I have 6 fingers and I take 1 finger away, how many fingers are left? Just 5 fingers. So over here on the other side of the equal sign, I can put a 5. Now I've used my 5. I can't use my 5 again. You have now some tricky ones to figure out. I'm not going to give you all the answers. I'm just going to give you some clues here. So the next one you'll be looking at maybe would be the 5 plus what number equals 8. So if I had 5, how many more cubes do I need to add to get 8? It's got to be one of these two numbers. You can't figure it out, try. Start with 5, add 2 more. Does that give me 8? No, 5 and 2 doesn't give me 8. Then try the next one. Oh, there's a 3 available. Add 3 more. Does that give you 8? Gotta give it a try. It probably does. Then you would write that number here and cross it off. And you keep going until you fill in the rest of the boxes. 8, take away what number equals 6. So I can start with 8 cubes, take away until I have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I want 6. How many do I have to take away? Fill that number in and then see if you can figure out the last number and make sure that it fits in the puzzle perfectly. So this one's called EQUATO. Everything's got to equal the same as on each side of it. So that's why they call it EQUATO. So I'll let you try to figure the rest of those out. Have fun with EQUATO. Bye.